Today we're at the International Boardwalk in Redondo Beach, California. It's a nice, cool, overcast day. And here is the Quality Seafood Market. Now, this place specializes in some amazing quality seafood. As you can see here, crab legs. They have a whole section for crab legs. This other section is a whole market of different ceviches, different types of fish. They have everything. It's just a whole row. This section right here, I wanted to show you everything. This section right here is the reason for this vertical video. This was going to be a short, but there is such a huge choice of fish here that I did not want to leave not one of these beauties out, because it's a row. I mean, I walked down from one section all the way to the other. I mean, it's just fish for days. Any type of fish, mackerel, you're talking about benzini, banzano, whatever they got, squid, they've got trout, they've got whitefish, they've got mackerel. This guy will help you out. He'll check you out. He'll put your fish on the grill, and then I'll just go crazy and he's like, yeah, boy, look at this fish. Oh my gosh, grilled beautiful trout with a bunch of lemon on top for me. It was fantastic. Some fries. You gotta have fries on the side. And then we get into this. This is what Mel got. There's a whole other section for crab legs, and Mel got some crab legs for sure. This is 1.5 pounds of giant king crab legs, and we got into this. We pounded this with a hammer and just enjoyed every minute of getting this fresh seafood. And then, hey, just follow the goose all the way to the parking lot, and you're good to go.